Designed by a renowned architect, David Bailey, this thoughtfully designed shipping container retreat is nestled in the midst of the awe-inspiring beauty of Joshua Tree National Park. This desert retreat is built using 3 shipping containers. The containers are placed in a U-shaped layout enclosing a central courtyard with lots of outdoor space and a swimming pool constructed from a 20-foot shipping container. The home features a compact but comfortable living space, a full kitchen, a dining area, and 3 bedrooms plus 2 bathrooms. The living area offers room for not just a chair, but a sofa, 2 easy chairs, and an area rug, plus a flat-screen TV and lots of desert-inspired decor. To make room for other users in the living area, the kitchen is installed along one of the container walls, with one side opening to the outside through the large garage door, making the space feel larger and less cramped. This kitchen includes all the essential appliances. There's a sink, perfect for cleaning, and tons of cabinets and shelves for storage of any other equipment. Next to the kitchen is a dining area fitted with a dining room table that sits 4 and can also serve as a dedicated workspace. Off the lounge area is the master ensuite. The master bedroom is fitted with a comfortable memory foam queen mattress and a smart TV to stream your favorite shows. The master suite has a dedicated bathroom with an oversized soaking tub, a double shower, and a double vanity. The bathroom is designed with precision and style. The second bedroom features a TV and a luxurious super queen-sized bed adorned with all the pillows. The third bedroom has a comfortable double bed and good-sized windows for daylighting. Even though the bedrooms look small, they feel welcoming and spacious thanks to the minimalist interiors and large glass windows. The 2 bedrooms share a spacious bathroom that features a glass enclosed shower cubicle, a toilet, and a modern wash and basin. The house has got a laundry alcove stacked with a washer and dryer. The light painted dry walls on the inside of the house create a sense of openness, awash with natural light from the sizable glass windows, killing the claustrophobic feel of shipping container spaces. From outside, there is no secret that this desert retreat is constructed out of shipping containers. The grooves of the raw shipping container walls are visible throughout the exterior and are painted in a shade of gray, bringing out the industrial charm of the cabins. The private patio offers a nice place where you can soak in the sun and watch the stars at night when the sun goes down, or take a dip in the 20-foot shipping container pool at the end of the long hike in the park. In addition, there is a big rooftop deck and a fire pit to stargaze at night or wish away a cool evening as you soak in the ambience of this desert retreat. The elegant charcoal paint on the exterior makes this house to blend with the shrubs in its desert environment. This amazing retreat is also listed as an Airbnb. Feel free to check it out using the links in the description below. Which part of this amazing container retreat appeals you the most? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. You are encouraged to subscribe to our YouTube channel where we showcase these and more amazing weekly videos on shipping container projects from around the world. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.